He missed the train. He ran, but it was gone. For a moment, he felt small, like the world had moved on without him. But as the noise faded, something else appeared. Silence. Wind. The sound of his own breath. Eluke darond. And so the sunrise he would have missed. Inside that train. Sometimes, life delays you on purpose, not to punish you, but to let you see what rushing would have made you forget. Missed trains. Lost chances. Slow days. They don't always mean you're behind. Sometimes they mean you exactly where you should be.